Good evening, ma'am. Hope you all are fine. I will always keep remembering you. I still remember many memories as I cooked for you all, and you all have so happily. When I remember those memories, it always makes me happy. I will never forget you all. As I was working as a cook in your house, you never treated me as a cook, but you all treated me as part of a family. There were so many heart touching moments. Whenever I remember all those, I get emotional. Also, you invited us to your house and we went. You prepare Kerala style fish curry and biryani. We liked it so very much as I used to come on bicycle to your house. After that, I worked with your lovely friends. Even they were very amazing. All those work I got because of you and Haris sir, like Ati ma'am, Suman sir, Sandeep sir, Nidhi ma'am, and many others. Even when you shifted, you still kept a contract with me. I still remember when I invited you and your friends. You all came to my house. I remember that I made jeera rice, methi aloo dal, lemon fish curry, and other things. You all did not have any problem to come to my small house to have lunch. I was very happy to see you all come to my house happily. I always pray for your good luck. Thank you so much for whatever you did for me, ma'am. Take care of, ma'am. Thank you. Bye.